Hello friends, today we will learn how to calculate materials required for concrete casting. As we know, basic materials required for concrete casting are cement, sand or fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. For that we are assuming proportion 1:3:6. 1 part of cement, 3 part of fine aggregate and 6 part of coarse aggregate. And also we are assuming volume of wet concrete is 1 meter cube. And according to that we will do further calculations. Now the question is how to calculate volume of wet concrete. Here we are assuming 1 meter cube and we will do further calculation. But if there is a beam or column or slab or retaining wall, any kind of RCC component is there, how to find volume of wet concrete? You can find it from its drawing like plan, elevation and section, and you will get length, width and height from those drawings, and from that you can find volume of wet concrete for a particular RCC component and take that volume here and do calculations. In next step, you have to find volume of dry concrete. Now remember one thing, volume of dry concrete is 52% more than volume of wet concrete. Why we find volume of dry concrete? Because we will mix basic materials like cement, sand and coarse aggregate in dry state, and then we will mix water and then we will do compaction and placing, so volume of wet concrete will get decreased, but in dry condition volume will be more, so volume of dry concrete is 52% more than volume of wet concrete. So volume of dry concrete is equal to 1 meter cube into 1.52 because 52% more. So we will multiply 1.52 and we will get 1.52 meter cube. Now proportion given is 1:3:6. 1 part of cement, 3 part of fine aggregate, 6 part of coarse aggregate. Now how to find volume of cement? It will be equal to 1 because 1 part of cement divided by total parts. From proportion we will get total parts 1 plus 3 plus 6 into volume of dry concrete 1.52 meter cube. It will be equal to 0.152 meter cube. Now volume of cement we are getting in meter cube, but cement is available in market in form of bag, so we have to find volume of cement in form of bags. So remember, volume of 1 bag of cement is equal to 0.035 meter cube, and divide 0.152 meter cube by 0.035 volume of 1 bag of cement. So you will get 4.34 bags volume of cement in form of bags. Now next is volume of fine aggregate. Part of fine aggregate is 3 divided by total parts 1 plus 3 plus 6 into volume of dry concrete 1.52. You will get 0.456 meter cube. Next, volume of coarse aggregate. Part of coarse aggregate is 6. Divide by total parts 1 plus 3 plus 6 into volume 1.52 meter cube is equal to 0.912 meter cube. By these calculations, we are getting volume of cement, volume of fine aggregate and volume of coarse aggregate. The proportion may be different. Here it is 1:3:6. Whatever it may be, it may be 1:4:8, 1:1.5:3. You have to do the calculations according to the proportion of concrete and according to volume of wet concrete you want to cast. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box.